remedies may help reverse early-stage tooth decay and promote oral health. Here's a concise guide on how to naturally cure tooth decay at home and potentially reverse a cavity. 1. Maintain proper oral hygiene. Regular brushing and flossing are fundamental in preventing and reversing tooth decay. Brush your teeth at least twice a day with fluoride toothpaste, focusing on all surfaces of the teeth and along the gum line. Flossing helps remove food particles and plaque between teeth, where decay often begins. 2. Oil pulling. Oil pulling is an ancient Ayurvedic practice that involves swishing oil in the mouth to remove bacteria and promote oral health. Coconut oil, with its antimicrobial properties, is commonly used for oil pulling. Swish 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes, then spit it out and rinse your mouth with water. Incorporate oil pulling into your daily routine for potential benefits in reversing tooth decay. 3. Remineralizing. Toothpaste. Commercial toothpaste often contains fluoride, which helps remineralize enamel and prevent cavities. Alternatively, you can opt for remineralizing toothpaste made with natural ingredients like calcium carbonate, baking soda, and essential oils. These toothpaste formulations may support enamel repair and contribute to cavity reversal when used consistently. 4. Herbal mouthwashes. Herbal mouthwashes can provide antibacterial and anti-inflammatory benefits, promoting oral health and potentially aiding in cavity reversal. Ingredients like neem, peppermint oil, and tea tree oil possess antimicrobial properties that can help combat cavity-causing bacteria. Dilute these essential oils in water and use them as a mouthwash after brushing for added protection against tooth decay. 5. Dietary changes. Nutrition plays a significant role in oral health. Limiting sugary and acidic foods and beverages can help prevent further decay and support cavity reversal. Instead, focus on a diet rich in whole foods, including fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and dairy products. Foods high in calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin D are particularly beneficial for strengthening teeth and promoting enamel remineralization. 6. Calcium and vitamin D. Supplements. Supplements containing calcium and vitamin D may support tooth remineralization and overall dental health. Calcium is essential for maintaining strong teeth and bones, while vitamin D aids in calcium absorption. Consult with a healthcare professional to determine the appropriate dosage of these supplements based on your individual needs. 7. Avoidance of acidic beverages. Acidic beverages like soda, citrus juices, and sports drinks can erode enamel and contribute to tooth decay. Limiting consumption of these acidic beverages and opting for water or herbal tea instead can help protect tooth enamel and facilitate cavity reversal. 8. Regular dental checkups. While natural remedies can support oral health, regular dental checkups are essential for monitoring the progression of tooth decay and addressing any underlying issues. Dentists can provide professional cleanings, fluoride treatments, and personalized recommendations for cavity reversal based on individual needs. Conclusion: reversing tooth decay naturally at home is possible with consistent oral hygiene practices, dietary modifications, and the use of natural remedies. By incorporating these strategies into your daily routine and seeking professional dental care as needed, you can promote oral health, potentially reverse cavities, and enjoy a brighter, healthier smile. Remember to consult with a dentist before making any significant changes to your dental care regimen, especially if you have existing dental issues or concerns.